Hi, today let's continue discussing archetypes or character types that represent universal ideas and themes. Today let's talk about the rebel. The rebel is maybe familiar already to you because this is a character who challenges authority and societal norms, advocating for change and freedom. So they share a similar characteristic with the trickster. The only difference is that the trickster has a negative connotation. They're playful and they're mischievous, and they do it for their self gain. The rebel, on the other hand, actually has a more egalitarian purpose. They have a more positive connotation. So, for example, Katniss Everdeen in the Hunger Games trilogy by Suzanne Collins. So, Katniss Everdeen is a rebel in that particular community, in that particular society, because she dares to go against Panem's oppressive regime. But notice that she dares to go against the societal norms because that societal norms are problematic. It is oppressive. I mean, why would you put people in an arena where they have to kill each other in order to survive? That is top-notch oppressive. So the rebel has a positive connotation.